Hello, everyone. Welcome to Peacock Way. Thank you for joining me. Today, we will be doing this project. For this project, I have used watercolor paper, which is 140 pound, and I have gessoed it. And I'm going to use this fabric paint, which I found it, which is very inexpensive. I'm going to try it and see how it works. So I'm going to use some of these colors. Then I'm going to use this regular deco art acrylic paints. So let's get started. I'm first putting um, these colors, and I'm going to use my finger to paint it. I'm going to just spread it and blend it along with that. um, it seems to be okay. It's not very opaque, but it's very translucent. So I think for some projects, maybe it is okay. So I'm blending all these three colors. Now I'm going to dry everything. Now I'm using this stencil. I'm going to, I don't know the name of this stencil, but I'm going to find out and list it in the description box. And I'm going to use these fabric paint and try those on these stencils and see. Then now I'm going to add different color. So you can see that how transparent they are. They are not very opaque, but it's okay to use for small projects. So if you are new to my channel, or if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button and turn the notification on. So now I'm using this stamp, and I'm using archival ink. I'm using this. I think this is from Woodware collection stamp. So this is a beautiful stamp. So I'm going to use that in the center. I'm going to dry everything before going to the next step, and I'm using now a Tim Holtz stamp. Now I'm using a dotted stamp. Now I'm going to dry everything before I go for the next step. Now I'm going to cut this die and use some part of it. Before I stick on the page, I'm first going to splatter white paint. Now I'm going to dry that. Then I'm going to blend little bit white paint on the edges. This is optional. Now I'm going to place it and see where I want my dye to be added, and now I'm going to put the glue on and stick it on the page. Before I keep the focal point, I'm also using this thread and I'm going to glue that on. And then I'm going to use this washi tape. I'm just trimming the edges of the washi tape. Now I'm going to stick this focal point. Now I'm going to use this other leftover piece of dye. and I'm going to stick the coat and finish this project. Hope you enjoyed watching it. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments below. I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.